Good afternoon. My name is Natasha Chili, and I'll be presenting on Quartix Technologies PLC's strategic position and analysis. Quartix Technologies PLC is a telematics enterprise operating in 6 major markets: the United States, the United Kingdom, Italy, France, Spain, and Germany. And they sell tracking devices for fleets and offer software for fleets on a subscription basis. The main mission for Quartix Technologies is to improve driver safety and reduce fleet management costs. And the vision for Quartix Technologies is to increase annualized recurring revenue and to expand into more European markets. The key objectives that Quartix is utilizing to achieve this strategic vision is to grow fleet subscription services through centralization and standardization, continuous enhancement to their software services, maintaining their cost leadership strategy, and market development into more European markets. From scanning Quartix's external environment using a pestle analysis, from the business and industry minister championing from the COP27 meeting, there is an emphasis on companies that enhance the net zero goals by improving green technology and efficiency. And Quartix Technologies is uniquely positioned within the market as it has 20% of the United Kingdom's market share in the telematics device tracking industry. And this is an advantage for Quartix from the political standpoint. And this also transfers into the environmental and legal implications of green technologies. Quartix is uniquely positioned to address this market issue. And geopolitical tensions are some of the issues and limitations that Quartix faces, with conflict-ridden zones that supply the minerals that create the chips that are utilized within the telematics devices, as well as some shipment delays of components globally due to these conflicts. And Quartix has decided to outsource its manufacturing to a third-party manufacturer to hold their stock for distribution globally to their 6 major markets. While looking into Quartix's VRIO model, I identified 2 key resources or capabilities of the company that will provide a sustained competitive advantage over competitors. The first one is the telematics software, the code and the platform itself, which are continuously being enhanced, which is one of Quartix's key strategic objectives. And this is a key component and capability to achieve sustained competitive advantage because it offers code that is proprietary software and the platform that tracks the individual fleets that customers own, which gives real-time data insights that do achieve the mission of the company, which is to improve driver safety, but also offer cost-reducing insights such as fleet management, running time, idle time of vehicles, and also the electric consumption to allow for better budgeting for fleet management costs. Upon scanning Quartix's external and internal environment, utilizing tools such as the pestle analysis, VRIO model, as well as Porter's 5 forces, and the value chain analysis, which were not included in this presentation, I have summarized within a SWOT analysis the strengths and weaknesses, which are the internal advantages and disadvantages, and the opportunities and threats, which are the external analysis shortcomings or advantages. I have summarized the following. The key current strategic position based on the analysis are research development in telematics and hardware and firmware and software, as well as transitioning existing fleets to meet the phasing out of 2G networks and to adopt 4G telematics units, which are compatible with future technological advancements, as well as monitoring the tariffs which are being cited by the United States to improve operational logistics, frameworks, and cost cutting for the adoption of new telematics units. Overall, Quartix is uniquely positioned because of, number 1, their outsourcing of stock holding to third-party Chinese manufacturers. Number 2, their clear objectives that allow for the transition from the phasing out of 2G networks by 2033 into the use of 4G technologies or higher for telematics units, and also Quartix's continuous strategic investment into research and development into their hardware and their software will allow them to be uniquely positioned to maintain and also increase their market presence in new markets across the United States and the European Union, as well as strengthening their UK operations. Thank you. I'll be ready to take any questions. And here are a list of references for your review.